What's up guys, it's Chris back again with another video. So today I'm going to be working on a pair of Jordan 1 Bloodlines. So let's get into the good stuff. Okay, so now that our Jordan 1s are nice and taped up, they are ready to be painted. So for this, I'm gonna take some Angelus black paint and some Creatix Colors adhesion promoter. Gonna mix those two things up, shake it up a little bit, and then drop it into my airbrush. Now, if you wanna grab any of the products I'm using in this video, I'm gonna leave links to everything down below in the description box. So check that out and let's go. Okay, so now that we've laid down our black base coat on the shoes, we're gonna start mixing up our color shifting paint. So I'm gonna mix about an ounce of this, and I'm going to need some Angelus neutral paint, some adhesion promoter, and of course our color shifting pigment. So in order to make it, I'm gonna drop about half of a gram of the pigment, and then 70% Angelus neutral paint, and then 30% adhesion promoter. And then once you got that all mixed up, you can see right here, you can notice that gold on the edges of the bottle, and then in the middle it's a dark red. So once you're done shaking it up, I'm gonna drop it in the airbrush and start spraying. Once again, all links to all products I'm using in this video down below in the description box. Let's go. Okay, so the shoes look pretty nice so far, but we still have to add some more black on the uppers, and we gotta fix those red edges. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're all done here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, make sure to come back again and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know what you think of the shoes down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. Peace.